In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a specific seller on Amazon. Whether you're hunting for products from your favorite small business or checking out a specific brand's offerings, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can quickly locate the seller you're interested in. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon's website by typing www.amazon.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Amazon's homepage will pop up, and once it's loaded, you're ready for the next step. Now take a look in the top right corner of the page. You'll see the option to sign in. Click on sign in, and if you aren't already logged into your account, go ahead and enter your credentials. This will ensure you can save any sellers or products you come across in your search. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself comfortably situated on Amazon's homepage. From here, focus your attention on the prominently displayed search bar at the top of the screen. This is going to be your primary tool for finding the seller you're looking for. In this search bar, go ahead and type in the store name or brand name that you're interested in. It's important to enter the correct store name to ensure accurate search results. As you type, you'll notice a drop down with suggestions. Feel free to select from that list if you see the seller or brand you have in mind. Otherwise, finish typing the name and press enter to bring up a list of products and the seller's profile if available. The search results will display a variety of products related to the name you've typed. Here, you can browse through the items to find the seller you're after. Often, if it's a recognized brand or seller, you might see a dedicated storefront link in the search results that takes you directly to their seller page on Amazon. This is a great way to view all the products that the specific seller offers on the platform in one convenient spot. If you are having trouble locating the seller amongst the search results, try refining your search terms. Using specific key phrases or checking the spelling can vastly improve search accuracy. Explore different variations of the store or brand name if needed, and peruse the results to locate the desired seller. By following these steps, you should now be able to efficiently find sellers on Amazon whenever needed. Hopefully this tutorial has been clear and helpful for you. Enjoy your shopping, and remember that Amazon is packed with a wide array of sellers offering fantastic products. That's all for today's guide on finding a specific seller on Amazon. Thanks for tuning in and happy searching.